I don't know how mama size, but I think that if it fits on Damian, will be good for you, mama.
Yeah, I think
think
it's good,
so.
yeah. Looks good on me, so will
Yeah.
good on you as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, what's up?
Hey, what's up? Good morning. So we just wake up actually.
It's very early morning actually, I have to say.
Alright, so Bali in the mornings coming to normal as usual. Oops, I need to put my seatbelt on.
Safety first.
Huh? Okay, so now today we will have something special in our vlog. So check this out, guys.
Yeah, but first of all we have to go to Sanur.
Yeah, to have a coffee.
And we have to do
I
something.
have a meeting actually first in the morning, as usual, morning meeting. So yeah.
And we will see what the day is gonna bring us today. So stay tuned.
Alright, so first of all, I need to withdraw money actually. I ran out of money. So we will withdraw money in the official bank. I didn't want to withdraw money on the road, on the street actually. So the first tip whenever you are in Bali, better you withdraw money in the official bank to avoid the scams. So this is what I like to withdraw money in official bank, because the security inside will welcome you. Selamat pagi, good morning, something like that. So it is very, very safe. I'm getting ready for meeting.
You already like
I have to think first.
drink. I will don't disturb you. I sit over there, okay?
Okay.
Take care, yeah. Alright, so yeah, just after Winnie's after meeting, I edited the video, I already uploaded. This is brand new cafe, by the way. We make a few snaps over here one day.
And then the internet is really good.
Internet is very good. It's a nice place, comfy sitting. And now we're gonna go to Denpasar, right?
Yeah, so now we are going to Renon, Denpasar actually, because I need to pay the tax of my bike. So you know that the bikes like cars in Bali, that you have to pay yearly tax. It's called samsat. So I will go to kantor samsat today to pay the tax of my bike.
Yeah, so we're gonna show you a little bit how it looks like in Denpasar.
Yeah.
We just arrived and it's quite busy, as you see. Difficult to park the car somewhere.
So yeah, we already arrived in the kantor bersama Samsat Denpasar. So I will pay the tax of my bike, pay Samsat actually.
So whenever you own the bike on your own name or something like
if
that.
you own a bike, especially or cars or other like vehicles in Indonesia, you have to pay yearly Samsat.
Yearly tax.
Yeah, yearly tax.
And you have to do it to the office.
Yeah. So
alright, see you there. I wait in the car.
yeah. Okay.
Alright, Winnie just went to the office to pay her tax for her bike. Wonder how much she's gonna pay. It's not a big money, she will tell you. However, while waiting, I just wanted to tell a few words about Renon area. Renon area is just outside the Sanur when you're going into Denpasar, and it's kind of half of the Renon is a lot of government buildings and offices, and every office, every bank headquarters and kind of offices, even post office, main building, everything is in Renon. So a lot of business is happening in Renon. Also residential area of Renon is kind of a prestigious one, a lot of older style houses, but very huge and very expensive one. So business people of Bali, mostly they living in Renon, except the tourism areas. And yeah, it's quite busy over here, as you can see on the streets. Renon have a one big road, like a 3 lines, sometimes 4 lines round line road, and around inside is the big park, Taman, and obviously inside of this area is like this government buildings and headquarters of the businesses. As you can see, it's quite busy. I just changed the little position, park more in the shed, because it's so hot in Bali right now. It's November and actually supposed to be a little bit rainy, but it's almost no rain and it's so hot. Remember guys, when I was talking about the hot in October? Now it's even more hotter than a month ago, and it's already over 20 of, I don't know what day is today, by the way. In these glasses and the mask, you look like a little bit like a...
Alright, so I already finished paying the tax. Actually, I will explain to you how it is inside the car.
It's so
outside
hot.
It's so hot. I will get inside. So I already finished paying the tax of my motorbike actually.
How much you pay?
I paid around 228k. So it's around 16 US dollars. Well, actually that my motorbike is a Vario in the year 2016, 125cc. So if you wanna know what's actually requirements, the documents that you have to prepare whenever you wanna pay the tax, first of all you need to have this one. This is called ownership book of the motorbike, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, this is my English. This is ownership book of the motorbike, and this is called the paper of registration. So every year I have to pay the tax, and then I will get chop, like I will get the stamp here if I already finished paying, so it will be okay. But what happen if I late paid? I will get fined. Actually, I will get fined around 25% of the tax. So I'm a good citizen. I have to pay before I'm late, before it's get expired actually. So we already finished our lunch today actually, and then I found that on the road there are quite many people are selling fruits, selling stuffs on the road actually. So I decided to buy mangoes because this is mango season nowadays. I decided to buy mangoes. I decided to buy this one. It's quite cheap actually. Yang pilihan mo nga naman. Yes. want a banana?
No,
No, only mango?
only mango.
So I bought 2 kilos of mangoes, and then this is a very sweet, and then she chose it for me because she knows which one is the best. It's so hot outside actually. Alright, when I paid the mangoes to the lady, and then she said to me, Ibu, I'm so thankful that you buy the mango because you are the first customer since I opened. And she said that I really hope that December international flight will open and then many tourists is coming. I really hope that, because for 9 months I just, selling everything on the road. Whatever I can sell, Joe. So I just survive everything from the road. That's why.
Alright, we just arrived to the ex-Hardy show, because
Yeah.
now it's Arta Sedana. I already talked a few times on my vlogs about that. However, we're gonna shopping here little bit today.
Yeah, so next month is Christmas. We are super excited for Christmas, but in another side we are a little bit sad because we cannot go to Poland to see Mama and Papa in Christmas. But now we decided to buy some things for Mama. Yeah, Christmas presents actually.
At least something, just symbolical things, because well, we have to ship it just to Europe, and this current times you never know when and if the parcel will arrive. However, hopefully the DHL is the good company, so it should be fine.
Yeah. So actually that normally whenever we send some things for Christmas present or Christmas card or something like that, from Bali to Poland, Europe, it takes around 2 weeks, right, to arrive. But nowadays we don't know, maybe for 1 month or 1.5 months, we don't know, but we tried our best. So we quite earlier to send a Christmas gift. For batiks actually for Papa in Poland,
But
we need to have with the long sleeve.
But it's difficult to buy long sleeve in Indonesia. Usually it's hot. But maybe we'll find something. Let's have a look. Alright, so after shopping, we already have a goodies. So we go back again to Renon now because we have to.
DHL is closed actually.
Yeah, DHL is closed, and we have to go to post office, which is in Renon. What I said before.
We will go to Kantor Pos.
And also on the way we're gonna go to Pepito Market, buy the Christmas card, because last time we already saw they have a Christmas stuff.
So we will pack up all the stuff now.
Alright, we just arrived at Gusto Gelato. This is one of the Renon big company who's selling like a cafe shop with something like Massimo Gelato, but Gusto Gelato, that's more local in Renon, right? In Denpasar, this is local brand owned by local person. Doesn't matter because we are preparing the gear, all the goodies, the gifts to send. Now we have to pack. We go to buy the postcard which is this one, Christmas card, and then envelope, everything, and now we have to tidy up. I hope so.
Yeah.
It will
So
survive.
we prepare everything.
I will show you.
Damian is wrapping his
And
present.
obviously we have to wrap it. Otherwise, but don't worry, got experience.
Look how he is wrapping his present. So tidy and neat. Alright, so we already wrap up the Christmas present for Mama and Papa in Poland actually. So
So hot to be
super
honest.
hot actually in Bali nowadays. It's around 35 degrees. Wow.
Yes.
So now we are heading to the post office. Again, we go back to Renon. Actually, only the post office in the center is open. So we will go there to send a package to Poland.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
well,
will see how is it inside. Probably they're not gonna allow us to record inside. However, if so, we will let you know, and also we will tell you how much is to ship. I don't know how heavy is that. Maybe 1
Yeah.
kilo or something like this.
Yeah.
Small we parcel to Europe, because Poland will be the same everywhere in Europe.
alright, so we are in a post office actually. So we already sent our Christmas gift for Mama. So I paid around 620k to send the stuff to Poland. Actually, it was around 1 kilo less. Yeah, 1 kilo less is around 620k. So yeah, I hope that it will arrive. Actually, the lady said it will arrive around 2 weeks or more. Yeah, it depends on the flight or courier or something, you know. So yeah, I hope that it arrives safely.
Red. I don't know why my skin is so red lah.
Yeah, because it's so hot. Well, actually, this is how our day. You already follow us from the morning. We have what is it? Working in the cafe, and then go to the tax office in Renon to pay for what is it? My motorbike tax, yearly tax, and then you follow us where we have lunch, and then at the end you also follow us that how we bought present for Mama and Papa
And
in
ship it
Poland,
later,
and then
not-
ship it.
Basically
and
the
then-
usual day in Bali. I mean, maybe not usual, but also nothing like super exciting maybe. However, many interesting things you learn, maybe something new today.
Yeah.
By the way, the 620k for shipping that into Poland anywhere in Europe will be the same
same.
price, from 0 to 1 kg. Actually, they have a price list like this. This is about 45 US dollars. So it's cheap, expensive, I don't know, to be honest. I think it's normal, right?
Yeah.
It's normal.
For us, the most important thing is not about the price tag.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
the feeling of being in Poland. We cannot be in Poland, unfortunately.
Yes.
I'm so sorry, Mama, for that. We cannot go to Poland because everything's still closed. Maybe Damian could go, but when he come back to Indonesia, it's little bit like, you
difficult.
know.
Anyway, if I'm gonna go to Poland, I will have to quarantine for 2 weeks. So,
Yeah,
so I don't think so it's any good idea. Anyway, I wasn't been in Poland since 2011 actually, so 9 years for Christmas. So
Wow.
it's actually
Can you
quite.
imagine that 9 years you didn't go home for Christmas to reunite with your family?
Yeah, that's actually quite sad. 9 years since I'm 20 actually. So, so it's like you don't see Mama and Papa for Galungan for 9 years.
Oh my god, my mom will cry for all night for that.
Yeah, that's how is the feeling
Yeah.
of my
So,
mama probably.
This is
So-
how it is. Long distance relationship, family relationship, whatever
how
it
it
is,
is.
love relationship. whatever your relationship is, as long as you can still show your love, your affection, your endless care to the people that you love the most, this is the time.
Yeah, and I think that's enough for today's vlog. I hope so you enjoyed. It's a little bit different than usual, actually. Maybe for some of you bored, but if you're still watching till this moment, that means that was interesting. So
Right.
comment below. I hope so you enjoyed. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, it's very helpful.
Right? Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care.
Bye.